Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the points of interest feature in Phast. This has been made available from version 9.0. This feature allows users to specify new locations of interest and then calculate and analyze worst-case explosion results and detailed explosion results in these specified locations. It is important to note that this feature is only available with an active explosion extension license. So once you've set up your scenarios and have added GIS information or within your map view, we can then start adding points of interest. To do this, navigate to the Map tab, and in here, you will find the Points of Interest folder. Now right-click, go to Insert, and select Points of Interest. Now specify the location within your input work area. In this demo, I will select one of the LNG tanks as point of interest. So I will click in the middle of this tank. I will then right-click on the points of interest that's been created and rename the scenario. I will call this LNG tank. If you open this point of interest window, then you can also manually specify the coordinates if these are known. The points of interest feature is useful as it allows users to determine the worst-case explosion results at specific locations within the Phast interface. But if you are interested in more detailed explosion results, then you can also do this in Phast now. I've now defined several points of interest in my workspace. Before we run, if you are interested in viewing all explosion results available at these points of interest, then follow the steps. To do this, go to the Settings tab in the ribbon bar and select the Diagnostics icon. Now you need to ensure that you change the Explosion Diagnostics into Detailed Diagnostics. And once you've done that, click OK. While the model is running, this will generate a new CSV file containing explosion results at different points of interest. So now let's run the model. Go to the Models tab and ensure that all scenarios have been selected. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon bar and then select Run. So after running the calculations, to view the worst-case explosion results, click on the Effects icon in the Home tab in the ribbon bar. And now you will see this worst-case explosion icon to view the worst-case explosion results. Click this, and now you'll be able to view the results, which include the side-on overpressures, dynamic pressure, the duration, impulse, the stagnation results, as well as the reflected overpressure results. To further analyze these results, you can also export them into Excel using this export icon in the General tab of the ribbon bar. For more in-depth analysis, you can open the CSV file containing the explosion results. And an easy way to do this is by going to the View tab in the ribbon bar and then select the Diagnostics folder. The file folder will then open, and within this folder, you'll see this 57 explosion _ point results. Open this, and you can see that within this Excel file, you'll be able to view the different explosion results available at the different points of interest. We hope you find this video useful. Thank you.